Buenas and saludo, guausi tamar. This is just another one of my low effort study with me, or maybe more accurately, watch me study, watch me learn CHamoru videos. Today I'll be reading my translation of the first part of Påle Eric's blog post on the Celes family. I'll link it in the description, and I guess I just might as well share my Google Doc of the translation because it's also going to get edited as I get it checked off by my tutor later today, actually. I'm just working through it kind of section by section over the next couple of weeks. Ida sa ipen gaigiki entalo I mengafen Celes, lo gaigi dikiki na kakadzu gida guahan. Matutuhan asti mengafa, desdi lahi mafanaan si agaton Celes, ginin Philippines. Tigov manuna si dokumentu siha put mononagagi gui ginin Philippines. Gua masangin na tauta malati gui gihalum Manila. Otro masangin na tautau Camarines Norte gui gihalum Bicol. Finaan mafanyago gui gita Camarines Norte después humana guatu gita Malati. Sindalu si agaton gisan papas Spanyot gita Philippines. Lo gi 1843, masota nagay isaw si agaton fanaan revolusyon militar. Dat nasuhadi gui gita guahan. Amatli si agaton zan si gubetnu Santa Maria gita guahan. Da I gubetnu ha huhu si agaton gi gubetnu gita hagatnya. Ka ano ka escribenti tetsotnya sa kumuquentus gui put na setsetbi I plumanya. Después, manametzotsu gui gita tinian anay manyasaga dosing na lanceru gi finasongsong guini. Manapasi ia pasniha nui pinilan ia tektuk. Después, manapmatsotsu-gui gita sa ipan para ufatnot-gui irafaluash ni talan katoliku. Gi 1856, hagagaw na minasii iisaw niya damalago-gui apas kumu fatfetna-gui. I matgas sa ipan, I Espanyol na pali gita sa ipan, dan I Espanyol gubetnu gi Marianas gita guahan, masupoti I ginagaw niya si agaton. And that's all I have. It's kind of hard for me to come up with a sign-off for videos like this, especially because they're just me kind of reporting to my future self what I'm currently doing. But I will share a little bit about what's on my mind lately. I have been really heartened by the kindness and generosity of my neighbors here in Minneapolis. We still have a massive presence of federal agents who are, quite frankly, terrorizing people of color mostly, and just anybody who is not going with their agenda. And as a person of color, and then also as a person who doesn't have a car, I've been really hesitant to step outside except to walk my dog. But one of my neighbors volunteered to pick up groceries for me. And so it's like really small things like that. And of course, for me, trying to pay it forward with the mutual aid boxes and various GoFundMe accounts for individuals who are taken to facilities outside Minnesota. Like, those are the small things that are giving me a lot of hope and just making a time like this feel more tolerable, I guess. What has also been nice is that a lot of my colleagues at work recognize that this is a just a really dark and heavy time for all of us. And I so appreciate, not having to fully compartmentalize everything that's going on and like tuck it away and then like put on my work face. Like everybody is giving each other so much grace during this time. Another fun little update is that I will be resuming my tutoring sessions today or this evening. I had put it off for about a week and a half because I was in Mexico and then I got really terrible food poisoning. Speaking of which, a CHamoru word that I learned recently that I really like saying, and also because the picture in my Anki deck is, I'll show it in the video. The word is dafi, and it means weak, but I think you also can use it to mean that state of like full body fatigue that you feel when you're recovering from an illness or you're still in the thick of that illness. So, yeah, I was very duffy earlier this week, but have finally had enough strength to do some push ups and squats this morning. So, I'm feeling a little bit better. Okay, now I will finally say that that's everything on my mind right now. Yeah, see you in the next video.